iPhone and iPad users, so far, are allowed to download apps only from Apple's official App Store, unless they pay for the Apple Developer Program, sign their apps with their own certificate, and use a Mac computer with Xcode. Regardless any negative comments this may have caused, it is Apple's policy to want the full control of the software that is allowed to be publicly available for their devices. Their devices? Well, are they really theirs after the users have bought them? This is a subject that can be discussed for hours, days, weeks. Doesn't the device belong to the user after they have bought it? So, why can't the users have the full control and choice on what they install, and from where? The European Union apparently had the same concern about the freedom of choice. And it wasn't the first time, was it? Okay. If you are a resident of the European Union and want to be able to install apps available outside the store easily and without paying for certificates, I have some good news for you. Actually, I am not the one who has the news. Check out here this tweet posted by Mark Gurman from Bloomberg. It says, Apple is preparing to allow alternative app stores and side loading on iOS, along with a slew of other changes to make the iPhone more open, in response to new European Union requirements arriving in 2024. This appears to be just another big change for iPhones. Recently, the European Union requested the change of Lightning to USB-C port that was also confirmed by Apple for the upcoming iPhone 15 and next models. Thanks for watching.